Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to fly in an airplane. You all love airplane, right? I love airplane. Come on, let's draw. First, I'm going to draw letter C. Like this. Yes. From the upper part. Up, down, up. Finish. Now, a small slanting line. Stop. And leave some space down and a straight line. Stop. From the down part of C, I'm going to join this body of airplane. And now wings. Up, down, down, again down, join. Wow, super, super. And the tail part, another wings like a triangle. That's all, finish. Wow. And top of the airplane, another wing up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. What else? A glass window. Then close the C. And one, two, three, and four, and five. Five beautiful circles. And last, listen carefully. Yes, under the wings, we need to draw like a half circle shape. And next, we are going to finish the airplane drawing like this. And we need to draw another line like this. Yeah, just like a border. Now it looks more pretty, right? Wow, it looks like a real airplane. Do you like this? Yay, yay, yay. I'm going to fly in an airplane. Going to fly in an airplane. Woo! Ta-da! The beautiful airplane. Do you all love this? Please subscribe if you like my drawing. Bye-bye.